You are going to love the 2021 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.